katropa, and welcome to our video for today, where we are going to summon once again in Naruto Final Valley. So I want to hunt his new EX Ultimate as soon as possible, because I believe it is the most essential thing that I need if I will going to test him, because of its OP EX Ult effects, as we all know. And I just got a tip from a viewer. Shoutout to you at Makoto Oksana. He got lucky by trying this particular ritual. I don't know if it will work also in me, so I've decided to test it out now. Since I already have 400 Shinobite, I can do one pull. So let's see, it will also take effect in me. So according to Makoto, we'll do first 5 Ryo summons here in the other part. Yeah, so we'll do 5. Wait a minute, what does he mean 5? Is it 5 times here? I guess this. So let's do 5 of this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I chose this particular 10 times because I think this is what we usually do. So I haven't tried a ritual before. And then we will just pull the frog's tongue for 20 seconds. So let's try. Wala namang mawawala. Tatry lang naman. Okay, here we go. By the way, buddies, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here we go. By the way, buddies, in summoning reaction videos, I, of course, 5-star card will get out. Anyways, continue with my announcement. So, in my summoning videos with reaction, sometimes I may say native, some Filipino language. So, just don't mind me. Of course, I can contain my emotions. So, I rather speak in my native language here in summoning video. Okay? So, ayos. We just got 2 LB, grabe. Wow. Oh, grabe. Guys, this is insane, but it's raining LB. So technically, I already have 4 LB cards. What I want is an EX Ultimate. So technically, if I will use a 6 substitution cards, because this particular card is boosted right now, I can make it already 2+3. So I guess I have to gather first 300 SB. So please, ultimate naman. It's ultimate. Oh my. Mukhang masamang senyales na yun. Hala! Okay, 4-star. Mamamax na natin. Sayang. Kailangan ko i-X ultimate. Please. Give me a rainbow. Rainbow, please. Rainbow. Please. Be it a rainbow. My God. Mukhang parang hindi ata gaanong e-epekto sa akin itong ritual na to. Okay. Please become a rainbow. Enough with the LB. I'm happy already na nakuha ko na yung LB. Ano ba yan? Another 4-star. Alam nyo mga katropa, I don't want to go all out in NFB's banner, because if Shishui will really come this month, I'd rather go all out in him, because first, he's my favorite. No matter if his Rikit is a trash or not, I will go all out in him anyways. Okay? But, kung hindi naman, if he will not be Rikited, for this month, I think that's when I will go all out for Naruto Final Bali. But I guess after this summon, if I will be shafted, I will pause for a while and wait for Shishui. If he will not comes, and then you will see another summoning video of mine. So tapos na pala yun. Okay, so I think one half gumana sa akin. The suggestion of Atmakoto Oksaka. It works half because we just got 2 LB. Of course, the other one is guaranteed. It is there, but of course, there is still some margin of error because if you see my post with Mama Sakura summons, after 4 further pulls, I didn't get any of at least LB, sadly. I can say it's still lucky, but I do hope the X Ultimate should have come out now. kamusta mga katropa? So, we are now in my last spool with NFB currently because as you all know, I already did 6 spools with him, and if this 7th spool is still a shaft, I was still unable to get his new EX Ultimate, I just have to buy it anyway in the shop using the medals that I acquired. Okay, so anyways, if I got the EX Ultimate, however, right now, still, I don't need to spend it much in getting his LB because as you all know, I already managed to make his LB max at +3. Okay, so it's just sad to see that I have to go to this length or to this extent just to get this EX Ultimate. And for your information, I've already experienced it this month and also from the last month. But unfortunately, after exerting all my effort in getting Shinos and summoning in Mama Sakura, I still haven't reached the 70 medal. So I failed to exchange the new EX Ultimate with her. As you can see here, it's sad to see that like that. So without further ado, we now move on with the summon. So last na to, wala na tayong gagawin kahit anong ritual mga katropa. We will just pull as it is, no? Kung paano normal lang na pull tayo. Okay. Ito na po. Hindi na. Siguro baka kung makakompleto ko naman yung makuha ko naman yung X Ultimate dito sa drone to, hindi ko alam kung ipang-exchange ko siya ng X Ultimate din doon sa shop or ibang items na lang doon. Kung makukuha ko yung X Ultimate dito. Bago to sa akin. Wala pa ako nitong LB ni Narutong Bata. Nakatawa lang, no? NFB, pero ito ang lumabas na LB. Anyways, inulan na rin naman ako ng LB. Actually, meron pa akong isang reserba pang LB, no, na hindi ko na magagamit. Anyways, kasi +3 na nga yung aking LB sa kanya. Wow! Ito lang masasabi ko dito sa draw ko ngayon, itong 7 times draw ko dito sa pool ni NFB. Inulan ako ng LB. Grabe. Hindi lang ni NFB, kundi ng iba pang Shinobi. So, ito na naman, no? Copies na naman. Okay, trash. Mga basura na. Mukhang hindi ko talaga makuha X Ultimate. Yeah. I guess I really need to buy it. So, ayan po mga katropa. Makikita nyo naman, So, with just using SB, I failed to get all the new cards of NFB. I just managed to get the new 4-star and the new LB. So, with this, bibili na lang natin siya sa shop. Alam nyo, hindi lang din yung last month kay Mama Sakura na nangyari sa akin ito. Na kailangan kong bilhin yung X Ultimate ng Shinobi para lang makuha ko siya. Na I have to go to summon 7 times just to get the X Ultimate. Dati nung kay Jubidara, ganun din na nangyari sa akin. And I really want to get Jubidara's kit at that time because he's one of my favorite. So, I also went into that so much summoning. So, bibili na natin siya. Ay. Well, at least for this month, we didn't suffer the fate that we experienced last month. Nakikita niyo naman, sayang na sayang. Pero ngayon ay hindi. So, by the way, since hindi dumating si Shishui at nasayang lang yung pag-pay-to-win ko, yung pagbili ko ng extra Shino, from the premium pass ay siguro iipunin ko na lang yung 300 SB na yun. Bagamat hiniram ko muna, sabihin na natin kasi nakatayo naman 300 lang yung tatlo na lang yung aking SB ay dahil tatlo na lang siya ay iipunin ko na lang yung mga darating ko sanang SB na pang-alat sana for the next month ay itatago ko na lang. I think it's 320 yung nakuha kong SB doon na pay to win. Kung ibubukod natin yung free to play ng mga SB, nakuha doon. So finally, I can now do some test. Okay? And it's also very beneficial and very timely because dahil the month is soon to be ending na. So does the buff of NFB. So makikita ko na natin yung full potential niya sa attack and defense kasi hindi na siya boosted doon. Okay. Nice. So yun lang mga katropa, maraming salamat sa panonood ng video nito, ano. At kita-kits. Birthday man ang aking account ngayon. At least masaya na ako na kahit pa paano nakuha ko naman yung EX Ult ni NFB.